Come on now, baby, work. Come on now, baby.
We had a special prize in Parrot, with Parrot, which was to be able to control this guy. Everything you see in the next room is about video streaming, and we are streaming video to this. So what about streaming now this video to the world? Because we brought you the best developers from Parrot. They are on the back of the room. Raise your hands. 3 guys. The hackathon, 1 hour. SpeedHack. Okay, yes. And the challenge is very simple. You have to be able to press a button on the web and make it jump.
The Depop drone was launched to the market a couple of weeks ago. It's results from 2 years of development. We believe that there are many professional applications that will be derived from drones. Today, this SDK allows you to develop your own applications on iOS, on Android and on Linux.